Today, we are diving into the 20 best-selling kitchen gadgets on Amazon that are totally worth your money in 2024. Whether you're an aspiring home chef or just want to make life in the kitchen easier, I have got some cool finds for you. These gadgets aren't just popular, they're genuinely useful, and I can't wait to show you why. Let's kick things off with a real multitasker, the Full-Star 4-in-1 Vegetable Chopper. This isn't your average chopper. It comes with 4 interchangeable blades, meaning you can chop, dice, slice, and spiralize vegetables with lightning speed. You save so much time prepping for meals, and the handy container catches everything, so there's no mess. Plus, the stainless steel blades stay sharp, even after lots of use. If you hate spending ages cutting up vegetables, this gadget is a must-have. For all the ground meat lovers out there, this gadget is an absolute game changer. The ground meat masher features a unique 5-blade design that breaks up ground meat into fine, even crumbles. It's heat resistant, so you can use it directly in your hot pan, and it works way better than trying to chop meat with a spatula. The ergonomic handle also makes it super comfortable to use. If you cook ground meat regularly, this will quickly become your go-to tool. Here's a gadget that feels straight out of the future, the Touchless Kitchen Faucet. Imagine cooking up a storm, your hands covered in dough or sauce, and instead of struggling to turn on the faucet, you just wave your hand, and boom, water starts flowing. It also comes with an extendable shower head, which is perfect for washing dishes, rinsing veggies, or even cleaning the sink itself. This gadget is more than just cool. It makes kitchen tasks smoother and more hygienic. The Gravity Electric Salt and Pepper Grinder is a convenient kitchen gadget designed to simplify seasoning with minimal effort. Unlike traditional manual grinders that require twisting, this device automatically grinds salt, pepper, or other spices when tilted down, thanks to its built-in gravity sensor. It also features an LED light that illuminates the seasoning area for precise control, even in low light conditions. With its sleek, modern design, this grinder is a popular choice for those seeking convenience and efficiency in the kitchen. Tired of placing your sauce-covered spoons on the countertop and dealing with a sticky mess? The Utensil Rest is here to save the day. Designed with multiple slots, it holds everything from spatulas to ladles, keeping your kitchen organized while you cook. The raised edges keep spills contained, and because it's heat-resistant, you can place hot utensils on it without worry. Cleaning is a breeze too. Just pop it in the dishwasher. It's one of those simple gadgets that makes cooking so much more enjoyable. Grating cheese or vegetables by hand can be time-consuming and tiring, but not with the Rotary vegetable grater. This handy gadget comes with 3 interchangeable blades for grating, slicing, and shredding. Just pop in your veggies or cheese, give the handle a turn, and watch as perfectly grated or sliced pieces fall out. It's great for prepping salads, tacos, or garnishing dishes. Plus, it's easy to clean and small enough to store in a drawer. If breakfast is your favorite meal of the day, the Rapid Egg Cooker will quickly become your best friend. This compact gadget can cook up to 6 eggs at once, and it's perfect for boiling, poaching, and even making omelets. Whether you like your eggs soft, medium, or hard-boiled, this gadget delivers perfect results every time. It's fast, energy efficient, and takes all the guesswork out of cooking eggs. Plus, its small size means it won't take up too much counter space, making it perfect for small kitchens or dorms. The mini silicone funnel is perfect for transferring liquids like oils, sauces, or even powders without spilling a drop. And the best part, it collapses flat, so it barely takes up any space in your drawer. It's heat-resistant, dishwasher safe, and flexible enough to fit into small bottle openings. A must-have for anyone who values both functionality and space-saving design. Garlic lovers, this one's for you. The Zulay Kitchen Garlic Press is a heavy-duty, stainless steel tool that makes crushing garlic a breeze. Just pop in a clove, give it a squeeze, and out comes perfectly minced garlic, with minimal effort. No more sticky, smelly garlic hands. For anyone who cooks with garlic regularly, this is a total game changer. Pizza night just got better with the classic pizza wheel. Designed for comfort and efficiency, this pizza cutter slices through even the thickest crusts with ease, thanks to its sharp stainless steel blade. The ergonomic handle ensures a comfortable grip, so your hand won't cramp up while slicing through that extra large pie. Whether you're cutting up homemade pizza or reheating your favorite takeout, this tool is a must-have for pizza lovers. Perfectly cooked meat is no longer a guessing game with the Thermomaven meat thermometer. This handy tool gives you accurate, instant readings, so you always know exactly when your steaks, roasts, or poultry are done to perfection. Whether you're grilling outdoors or roasting in the oven, the easy-to-read digital display makes it simple to ensure your meat reaches the ideal temperature. It's compact, easy to store, and takes the stress out of cooking meat, ensuring juicy, tender results every time. Rinsing fruits, veggies, or draining pasta is easier than ever with the over-the-sink expandable colander. Designed to fit over any sink, this colander expands to give you plenty of space for all your rinsing and draining needs. The perforated design allows water to drain quickly, and when you're done, it collapses down for easy storage. It's durable, lightweight, and perfect for kitchens where counter space is limited. Whether you're prepping for a meal or cleaning up after, this colander makes the job quick and easy. Shredding chicken with forks can be a tedious and time-consuming process, but with the chicken shredding tool, it's a breeze. This tool works by quickly shredding cooked chicken, or any other meat, with just a few turns. It's great for meal prep or making dishes like pulled chicken sandwiches, tacos, or salads. The compact design makes it easy to store, and cleanup is as simple as a quick rinse or toss in the dishwasher. For anyone who frequently makes shredded meat dishes, this tool will be a lifesaver. If you're tired of dealing with tangled appliance cords, the appliance cord organizers are here to solve that problem. These nifty little gadgets stick right onto your small appliances and allow you to neatly wind up the cord when not in use. It keeps your kitchen counters looking tidy and prevents the hassle of dealing with twisted cords every time you use your blender, toaster, or coffee maker. Simple, effective, and perfect for anyone looking to declutter their kitchen. Maximizing cabinet space is always a challenge, especially when it comes to bulky items like mugs. Mug stackers by ELYPRO offer a simple but genius solution. These little gadgets let you safely stack mugs on top of each other, saving you tons of space in your cabinets. They're easy to use, fit most standard-sized mugs, and make organizing your kitchen so much easier. Perfect for anyone with a small kitchen or who just wants to keep things tidy and organized. Tired of rummaging through your drawer to find the right measuring spoon? Magnetic measuring spoons solve that problem by clicking together neatly, so they're always easy to find and store. These double-sided spoons are perfect for both wet and dry ingredients, and the magnetic feature ensures they stay together, even in crowded drawers. Plus, they're stainless steel, which means they're durable and dishwasher safe. Say goodbye to soggy dish towels and messy counters with the silicone dish drying mat. This mat provides a non-slip surface for drying your dishes, glasses, or even pots and pans. The heat-resistant, flexible silicone material is perfect for protecting your counters, and it dries quickly, so no water buildup. When you're done, just roll it up or store it flat. It's practical, easy to clean, and takes the hassle out of drying dishes. This one's for the home chefs who want to step up their slicing game. The Nacolus 5-in-1 Mandoline Slicer. With 5 different blades, you can slice, shred, waffle cut, and even grind vegetables like a pro. It's an ideal tool for making Korean salad, potato chips, fried potatoes, garnish, cucumber mask. For anyone who loves creating fresh, restaurant-quality dishes at home, this Mandoline slicer is a must. Tired of getting water everywhere when washing dishes? The silicone kitchen sink splash guard is here to help. This flexible guard sticks to the edge of your sink, preventing water from splashing onto your counters or floor. It's easy to install, stays in place, and is simple to clean. Whether you're doing a big batch of dishes or just rinsing off vegetables, this splash guard will keep your kitchen dry and clean. Finally, for all the pasta lovers out there, the silicone pasta fork is the perfect tool for serving up spaghetti, linguine, or fettuccine without the mess. The non-slip, flexible silicone design makes it easy to scoop up even the slipperiest noodles, and it won't scratch your non-stick cookware. Plus, it's heat-resistant and dishwasher safe, making it as durable as it is convenient. Every pasta night just got a little easier. And guess what? I've included the product links down in the description, so you can easily check them out. Let me know in the comments which gadget you're most excited to try.